Good morning everyone. Welcome in Motive Study. Now you can see this is the map of India. Today we are going to discuss about the distance, some important points, area related to India. Okay. Now let's begin. First of all, we have to know that India lies in Asia continent, which is one of the biggest of 7 continents. Okay. Now the distance or the total area of India is 32,87,263 kilometer, approximately 32 lakh kilometer, and the distance from east to west of India is 2,933 kilometer, and from north to south is 3,214 kilometer. You can see from this point to this point and from north to south. And the extreme end point or the easternmost point of India is Kitibu in Andhra Pradesh, Guarmota in Gujarat, Indra Col Siachen Glacier in north, which is disputed area between India and China, lies in LAC, line of actual control. And the southernmost point is Kanyakumari at southern India. And if you talk about the southernmost point of India, that is Indira Point at Andaman and Nicobar, which is an island and union territory. Okay. Now the land frontier of distance India is 15,200 kilometer and coastline area is 7,516 kilometer. The coastline area means the area which is attached with ocean, and it covers 9 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Odisha, with 2 union territories, Daman and Diu at west and Puducherry at south. The largest is Gujarat and the smallest is West Bengal. Now in map it is clearly visible what is coastline area, and there are coastline areas, and the main important coastline are, you can see in map the important coastline that is covered with 9 states is Utkal coast, Andhra coast, Coromandel coast, Kanyakumari coast, Kannada coast, Konkan coast and Kathiawar coast. Okay. Gujarat is the largest and West Bengal is smallest. Now India is divided into mainly or basically 5 parts, that is northeast Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, eastern, northern that is Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, central UP, MP, western Gujarat, Maharashtra and southern Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now the largest highway of India is National Highway 7 or NH7, previous name, now it is NH44. The distance is 3,745 km, start from southern of Srinagar to end in Kanyakumari at south. And the second NH27, it covers 3,507 km, Port Bandar in Gujarat to Silchar in Assam, that is from west to east. India's share is boundary with 7 countries, includes 17 states. But before we begin, we should know the boundary name of India. LAC, that is the LAC, line of actual control between India and China. It covers a distance of 4,057 km. Start from Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. And the second is McMahon line, that is also with China and India, 890 km from Bhutan to 260 km east of Brahmaputra river that start or origin from Tibet and end at West Bengal. And the third is Red Cliff line. Red Cliff line is the important line जो कि 15 अगस्त 1947 को हुआ था between India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. And the fourth is LOC, line of control between Pakistan and India, that is comes in POK, also Jammu and Kashmir, after India-Pakistan war in 1948. And the fifth is Durand line, Afghanistan and India, which is the smallest sharing distance, near about 80 or 90 km. So ये थे आपके important. Now you can see some of the screenshots that which international boundaries attached with which state. Largest is Bangladesh. Yeah, this is the screenshot. Assam covers a distance of 263 km, Meghalaya 443 km, Mizoram 318 km, Tripura 856 km, and West Bengal 2216 km. International boundary with Bhutan. Arunachal Pradesh covers 217 km. This is the map. Assam covered 267 km, Sikkim covered 32 km, and West Bengal covers 197 km. And if you talk about Myanmar, then it shares a boundary with Arunachal Pradesh 520 km, Manipur 398 km, Mizoram 510 km, and Nagaland 215 km. With Nepal, it shares a boundary with Bihar, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, West Bengal. The southernmost point of India is this, and the southern states of India is Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. And the western part of India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, national highways. And the northeast states of India is Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and Tripura. There are 8 states. So now this is the end of video. Hope you like the video. Do share and subscribe the channel.